In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multi-cursor editing in Dreamweaver. This feature allows you to make simultaneous changes across your code, making your workflow more efficient. First, open Dreamweaver. If you haven't already installed it, ensure it's set up on your computer. Dreamweaver is a powerful tool for web development, providing a comprehensive environment to write and edit code. Once Dreamweaver is open, the next step is to open your HTML, CSS, or JavaScript file. You can do this by navigating through the File Explorer on the left-hand side. Choose the file you wish to edit. This is important because multi-cursor editing helps you make changes across these specific types of files, enhancing your productivity. Now go to Code View. You'll find this option at the top of your workspace. Code View provides a clear and detailed look at your code, allowing for more precise editing. By working in Code View, you can easily manage your multi-cursor editing. With Code View ready, hold down the Control key if you're on Windows or the Command key if you're using a Mac. This action sets up the environment for selecting multiple points in your file. It's crucial to use the correct key for your operating system to ensure this feature works properly. While holding down the Control or Command key, click multiple places where you want to edit. Each click will place a cursor at that location. This step is where the magic happens, as it allows you to edit several lines or sections simultaneously. It's a powerful feature because it saves you the time and effort of making the same change in multiple places individually. Type your changes at any one of the cursor locations. You'll notice that the text appears at all the selected cursor spots. This simultaneous typing is the core benefit of multi-cursor editing. It ensures consistency across your code, particularly useful when you're making repetitive updates. Once your changes are made, it's essential to save your file. This action ensures all your edits are preserved. You can do this by clicking on the Save icon or by using the shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Saving your file regularly is a good practice to prevent data loss and to keep your work up to date. At this point, you've successfully used multi-cursor editing in Dreamweaver. This technique is invaluable for developers looking to enhance their coding efficiency and accuracy. By mastering this feature, you can streamline your workflow and reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks. Remember, multi-cursor editing is just one of the many powerful tools Dreamweaver offers. As you continue to explore, you'll discover more features that can further improve your coding experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep practicing, and soon multi-cursor editing will be a natural part of your coding routine. Until next time, keep coding efficiently and creatively.